brother of Reverend James, of all other ministers here, just like him. But I believe in this. For a personal relationship with God is more important than positions, qualifications. The personal relationship with God, that intimate relationship we should be set apart, holy.
So, just very quickly, I know you a lot of people to shake hands and who want to congratulate you. You've just finished 3 years of studies. You've given up a career in education to take on this vocation and this calling. What is your vision for your ministry? What was it? Is it something that you'd like to focus on, or what is your vision now?
Oh, yes. My vision, I mentioned a line of it in that my speech in the Remove the Word of Thanks. It is for the people of Fiji to eat the Word of God, for them to see the liberating work of God in everything we do, even in media, everything. Those people in secular arena, they are our brothers and sisters, disciples of Jesus. They are there. So that is my main mission, to reach out to them in their level of life and to share the Word of God to them, for them to also be a member of the kingdom of God. That's my main vision.